హలో, నేను అమోఘ్ రెడ్డిని మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. ఇవాళ ఇండియా కిడ్స్ ఫ్యాషన్ వీక్లో మేము కలెక్షన్ వనం లాంచ్ చేసాము. ఇది మొత్తం నేచర్ మీద ఇన్స్పైర్ అయి చేసింది. వీ హ్యావ్ మంకీస్, మంచి యానిమల్స్, వీ ఇంక్లూడెడ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద నేచర్. సో ఇట్స్ వెరీ నైస్. గుడ్ రెస్పాన్స్ ఉంది మా కలెక్షన్ మీద. ప్రస్తుతానికి పెద్దవాళ్ళకు కూడా చేస్తున్నాము. అది కూడా తొందరలో లాంచ్ చేయబోతున్నాము ఆన్ సోషల్ మీడియా ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్. యూ కెన్ తొందరలో మీరు ఆ కలెక్షన్ కూడా చూడబోతున్నారు.
Today it's brilliant that we have seen such a beautiful clothes, and the fashion has evolved so much, and I'm really surprised that at such a young age Hyderabad Twin Cities have produced such a brilliant designer who is just 17 years old. I think he's one of the youngest designers in all over India, and he's designing right from I think age-wise, if you see, he's able to design, understand the patterns, understand the fabrics, understand the designs, the trends, and he went by a theme that is Vanam, that is forest. That means he has taken forest as an inspiration, which is like really aspirational to all the designers. And I think he has catered to all the ages. Young age, I think at 3 years, 4 years, children were also so inspired. That means the fashion has evolved so much in the last decade. And I think people always say that we have to go to Bombay or Delhi or Kolkata or Ahmedabad for the best designs. But I think with the designer like Amogh Reddy, now we have all the clothes, all the fashion, all the designer wear in Hyderabad itself. And it's very inspiring for budding artists also. To see a person like Amogh Reddy, who is such at a young age, who has done such an excellent job. And I think by this we have understood that if there is passion, if there is determination, age is not a limitation. And at that age, I'm really surprised how we could pool the resources, everything. And he has been telling that his mother is his inspiration. So when the environment is very nutrient, when the environment is very aspirational, I think children will just catch up like that. And I wish Amogh Reddy all the best. And I think I don't want to compare Amogh Reddy to any designer like Sabyasachi Mukherjee or Tarun Tahiliani, but I'm sure that he will become one of the eminent designers in the coming years. And yes, Hyderabadis don't have to go anywhere. I think they can come to Amogh.
For more videos like this, subscribe Big TV channel.